In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your photo into anime style using ChatGPT. And there are some prompts that you could use and they are actually quite unique. So let me show you how you can do it. First, open ChatGPT and then log into your account. And then here you have to upload the picture that you want to convert into anime style. For this example, I'll try to convert this photo that I got from Pixabay into 80s anime style. Now I'm going to upload the file right here. And after that, you can insert the prompt. There are a lot of prompts that you could use, and this is just a small example that you could try. So there are some anime styles that I've gathered from the internet, but keep in mind that from my testing, these prompts are working, but sometimes they don't work for some reason. So I think ChatGPT have this limitation where some styles, or when you're mentioning the intellectual property like the studio name or maybe the anime name, there is a good chance that it's going to refuse the generation. So this prompt still works today, but I don't know about the future. But hopefully when you're trying this prompt, it still works. Now I'm going to leave the prompts in the video description. And for this example, I'll try to use this 1980s anime style. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste that into ChatGPT. And after that, enable create image and send the message and also the picture to ChatGPT and just wait until it finishes generating the anime version of your photo. So 1 minute later, we got this result. And by the way, I actually have done the same testing again on a different prompt, and this is the result. So this is the character if she has this anime cat ears, which I think is quite popular style. So again, I'm going to leave all the prompts in the video description. And if that doesn't work, then I probably will update the prompts so you can check the description and see the latest version of the prompts. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.